Alright, you guys, how's it going? Rich is here. I hope all of you have an amazing day. Welcome back to another video. So, by the title, you guys can tell that we have a new device for our gaming. And of course, it's a new mobile phone. If you guys want to guess, go ahead, quickly comment it down in the description below. And yeah, 3, 2, 1, and I'm about to reveal the device. Are you guys ready? So here it is. It's a Galaxy S20, guys. So it's a Samsung Galaxy S20, one of their newest devices this year. It's a beast of a phone. It has 128GB storage, 8GB RAM. It is able to record at 8K rear camera and 4K front facing camera. Like what? Like dude, this thing is insane. Like how are you able to do this, man? It's a 6.2 inch. We have it in cloud blue. And yeah, I'm about to unbox it for you guys. So yeah, let's do this. Here we go. I have opened the seal already because it's really tough to open the seal otherwise. And here we are. Dun, 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 dun. And the device is literally right there, just sitting right there for us. So yeah, I'm just going to take it out quickly. And here you guys can see. This is the Galaxy S20. It feels so small in my hand because it's a full screen display. It has a hole punch up top right here. You guys can see. And yeah, it's in the cloud blue color. As I said, I've always had a gray or a black colored phone. So I went with a different color phone. You guys can tell that my favorite color is blue. You can see by my keyboard as well right now. So here is the phone. I'm just going to set it out to the side for now. And just going to let you guys know what else is in the box. So here in the box, we have... Let me just turn this around quickly. And yep, here we go. So right here, we have the 25-watt brick charger. If I can take it out. So yeah, this thing is able to charge at 25 watts, which is insanely fast. You can get up to 45 watts. However, in the box, you get the 25 watts. And as you guys can see, it has the USB-C type. I'm sorry if you can't focus this too well. I'm going to try and get a focus. I'm recording with my Galaxy S9 Plus right now. So it has the USB-C type cable. And the 25 watt charge will be insane, obviously, once again. And next in the box, I think this might be... Let me see, what could this be? This is probably the cable? Yeah, this is the charging cable right here. If I can take this out, that would be amazing. I'm trying to do this with one hand, which is quite difficult. Yep, there we go. Push it out. And yeah, as I said, it's a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. You guys can see right here. USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable right there. So we'll set that to the side as well. And last thing will probably be the AKG earphones. There's no need for me to show that to you guys, obviously. You guys know that. It is really well braided. Good company, AKG. If you guys have ever used AKG headphones, let me know. They're pretty nice. I really like them. But I'll be right back as soon as I've set up this beast right here. And yeah, just give me a second and I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, welcome back. The phone has been set up already. And yeah, it's right here. It's a beast. I was just setting up. It took a bit of time to set up because obviously Samsung comes with some of their own apps. And yeah, it's right here. It's here right now. I haven't downloaded any games yet. Obviously, I'm still waiting for the screen protector to arrive. But I do have the cover right here. So I'll put on the cover in a bit and then I'll show you guys. But I'm still waiting on the screen protector to arrive for this phone, and then I can do that. I've set up my fingerprint scan, so I'm just going to try and do that for you guys. And yeah, there you go. Screen protector is not there yet. It has a pre-applied screen protector. However, it's not that amazing. But yeah, it is doing a fantastic job. We have the 120 hertz display on right now. If I can show you guys, that'd be amazing. So right here, you guys can see we have it functioning at 120 hertz. And honestly, it feels butter smooth. Like, you guys probably can't tell by from my camera, but oh boy, it is amazing. And I'll show you guys a camera quickly. This thing, look at that camera, dude. Just look at that. Like, what is that, dude? It is able to record at 8K and front facing at 4K. Like, dude, that is just insane. I'm about to take some insane pictures with this. What is this notification? Tap here to view multi window and other options. All right, sure, man, I'm okay. Yeah, I already know about the Samsung environment. You don't have to give me tips, bro. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. 1 second, I'll show you guys how it looks with the cover because I forgot to do that. Just give me a second, I'll be right back. So yeah, welcome back, guys. So the cover has been put on, and oh boy, it looks amazing in my opinion. The cover is really good quality as well. I bought it from Samsung themselves, so it's a really nice cover. And yep, I need to get used to obviously opening my phone with the on-screen fingerprint because my current phone has it on the rear side right here where I'm pointing with my thumb. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the stream. I'm just a stream maniac now. I've just been streaming daily, so I just said welcome to the stream. But if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button and do support me. Also, do hit that like button, guys, if you're enjoying the content. And yeah, follow my streams on trovo.live/Rachis, guys. Link is in the description. And Samsung, if by any chance you do watch this video, please do sponsor me. I'd really appreciate that. Alright, guys, with that, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.